Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and this is Hena Talati. At least 13 people have been killed after tropical cyclone Shaheen battered parts of the Oman and Iran. There was widespread flooding along Oman's northern coast as the storm made landfall on Sunday, bringing heavy rain and winds of up to 150 kilometers per hour. Omani authorities reported the deaths of 7 people in North Batna province on Monday. 4 others drowned and were killed in landslides on Sunday, and 3 other fishermen remained missing off the coast of southern eastern province of Sista Baluchistan near border with Pakistan. Iran's deputy parliamentary speaker initially said that 6 people were killed. Infrastructure, including electrical facilities and roads, was also damaged. Parts of United Arab Emirates were placed on standby as the storm moved southwestwards over land on Monday and weakened. Residents of Al Ain were told to avoid leaving home except for emergency. It is rare for storms of this power to hit Oman's northern Arabian Sea coast. Authorities said 369 millimeters of the rain fell on Al Khabaura, northwest of Oman's capital, Muscat, while more than 200 millimeters was recorded in Muscat itself. Shaheen's high winds also caused waves of up to 10 meters along the coast. Before the cyclone made landfall on Sunday, the National Committee for Emergency Management reported that a child who had been swept away by the water in Muscat province had been found dead. 2 Asian workers were also killed by a landslide in an industrial zone. Oman State News Agency reported the armed forces were continuing to rescue people who had been trapped by the floodwater, and it added that they were also restoring damaged roads to get aid into the areas that needed it. More than 5,000 people were moved into some 80 shelters set up in the affected provinces. The National Multi-Hazard Early Warning System had alerted residents that there was still a risk of thunderstorms as the bad weather moved inland. People were urged to avoid wadis, valleys, and ravines found in the regions and other low-lying areas. Authorities in the United Arab Emirates have said precautionary and other measures were taken in several regions. Police in the United Arab Emirates on Monday were patrolling near the beaches and valleys where torrential rains were expected to ensure the residents' safety. Saudi Arabia's civil defense authorities called for the caution in several regions for Monday to Friday in expectation of high winds and possible flooding, the state news agency reported. Cyclone Shaheen slammed into Oman on Sunday in ferocious winds and heavy rain, flooding streets, prompting evacuation from coastal areas and suspending some flights to and from the capital Muscat. Omani state television broadcast images of flooded roadways and valleys as the storm churned deep. Had said that winds from Shaheen now gust up to 90 kilometers per hour and would continue to weaken. Oman's National Emergency Committee said the power supply could be cut in Al Qurm, east of the capital, to avoid accidents. Aid agencies transferred more than 2,700 people to emergency shelters. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.